नमस्कार, सुस्वागतम. येवकार सगळ्यांक. गोवा विद्याप्रसारक मंडळाच्या राजमाता पद्मावती राजे सौंदेकर विद्यालयाचे वतीन तसेच गोवा विद्याप्रसारक मंडळाचे वतीन हांगा जमिल्ल्या सगळ्यांक माय मोगाचो नमस्कार आणि येवकार. आयज तुमकां खबरच आसा कित्या खातीर आमी हांगा जमल्यात. आयज गोवा विद्याप्रसारक मंडळाची एक नामनेची अशी सर्त वॉयस ऑफ GVMs ताचे साक्षीदार आणि ताचो आनंद घेवपा खातीर आणि ह्या सर्तीत वांटेकार जावपा खातीर सगळेजण विद्यार्थी हांगा जमल्यात. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार. आणि हो येवकार अदीक तुमच्या काळजा मेरेन पावोवपा खातीर हांव आमच्या विद्यालयाच्या विद्यार्थिनीक विनंती करता की तांणी स्वागत गीत सादर करचें. स्वागत गीतान आयच्या ह्या सूर स्वर नाद हांच्या मेहफिलीची सुरवात जाल्ली आसा. फुडलीं 3 ते 4 वरां अदमास आमी ह्या स्वरां भितर न्हावन वतले. आयच्या ह्या उक्तावणाच्या भागाक आयच्या कार्यावळीचे 3 भाग आसात. एक उक्तावणाचो हो भाग, दुसरो सर्तीचो भाग आणि तिसरो भाग जो आसा तो इनामां भेटोवपाचो. तर आयज आमचे मदीं उपस्थित आसात आयच्या सर्तीचे परीक्षक श्री अक्षय नायक, सौ गौतमी हेदेव बांबोळकर, गोवा विद्याप्रसारक मंडळाच्या कार्यकारिणीचे उपाध्यक्ष श्री अशोक नागवेकर सर, आमच्योच पयलींच्यो टिचर सौ नीलम नागवेकर, आमच्या PTA अध्यक्षा. तर तुमकां सगळ्यांक परतून एकदा येवकार आणि हो येवकार आनीक चड तुमचे मेरेन पावोवपा खातीर आणि प्रास्ताविक करपा खातीर हांव विनंती करता आमच्या शाळेचे मुख्याध्यापक श्री दत्तात्रय नाईक सरां कडेन.
Good morning, everyone. Dignitaries in the audience, Vice Chairman, Working Committee, Goa Vidya Prasarak Mandal, Mr. Ashok Nagvekar, our ex-teacher, Mrs. Neelam Nagvekar, our ex-headmistress. Madam, please come and occupy your seat. No, please come. Our ex-headmistress, Madam Gaonekar, Sushma Gaonekar, our primary in charge, Madam Maria Piris, our PTA chairman who always remains with us, Mrs. Dipali Naik, Akshay Naik, by Gautami Bambolkar, all parents, teachers, and my dear friends. On behalf of RPRS High School, Bandora, I extend a warm welcome to each and everyone present over here. It's my pleasure to stand before you and to welcome you all for this function. The success of any function, whatever type of function it may be, it all depends on the performance of the participants. And I'm sure you will perform, you will present your mind-blowing performance to bring this competition to a next level, to a higher level. I'm sure about that. The second most important part of any function is judgment. The judgment must be impartial. And if the judgment is proper, then the people will have faith in that judgment, then the people will have faith in that competition, and that will maintain the standard of any competition. And I'm blessed to have today with us judges who are eminent personalities in the field of music in the state of Goa. They had achieved name and fame not only in Goa, but also at national level. Our first judge is Mrs. Gautami Hede Bambolkar. She is learning Hindustani classical singing since age of 10 under the guidance of Pandit Dr. Ramrao Nayak, and she has completed Visharda degree. She was selected for Banadril Big Golden Voice by Sonu Nigam ji, organized by 92.7 Big FM in top 10 contestant from 2 to 3 lakh voices all over India. She received a title of Goan Idol in 2010, Singing Legend and Goman Sitara. Recently received Best Single Award 2024 for the Kokni video Malsa song by Kokni Natak Sangeet Academy. Have received Incredible Goa Award 2024 in Women's Achievers category. Have been awarded as Best Playback Singer at Goa Kokni and Marathi Film Festival 2015 for Kokni movie Gunaji. Have playback for many Kokni, Hindi, Marathi albums such as Hazar Zaita, Moga Maja, Re Damodara, Sparsh Tuzo, Shani Masti, etc. Have performed and playback with famous singers like Siddharth Mahadeva, Hema Sardesai, Swapnil Bandodkar, Vishwajit Borwankar, Chaitanya Kulkarni, Sridhar Fadke, Savani Ravindra, etc. Have playback for Kokni movies like Gunaji, Suring, Mogan Tuja, and also for dramas, jingles, videos, albums, etc. Madam Gautami Hede Bambolkar, we welcome you for this function. आजच्या या स्पर्धेचे दुसरे परीक्षक आहेत ज्यांच्यामधला प्रकाश कधीच क्षय होत नाही, ज्यांच्यामधला प्रकाश कधी संपत नाही, ते म्हणजे अक्षय प्रकाश नाईक. वयाच्या 7व्या वर्षापासून संगीताचे धडे आजोबा दत्ताराम वळवईकर यांच्याकडून आणि त्याच्यानंतर कला अकादमी येथे प्रसाद खापर्डे, रुपेश गावस यांच्याकडून शास्त्रीय संगीताचे धडे घेतले. त्याच्यानंतर 12 वर्षे डॉक्टर अलकादेव मारुलकर यांच्याकडून शास्त्रोक्त शास्त्रीय संगीताचे धडे घेतले. संगीत क्षेत्रात काम करत असताना रूप कुमार, सुरेश वाडकर, देवकी पंडित, स्वप्नील बांदोडकर, सावनी रवींद्र, विनोद राठोड, शंकर महादेवन, अवधूत गुप्ते अशा कित्येक बॉलिवूड आणि मराठी फिल्म इंडस्ट्रीतल्या गायकाबरोबर अल्बम शेअर केले आहेत. नाथांचा तू नाथ, रे दामोदरा, शाणी मस्ती, कृष्ण दामोदर, जय हे दामोदर, घुमट अध्याय कितीतरी अल्बम स्वतःच्या नावावर आहेत. साऊंड इंजिनिअरिंग रेकॉर्डिस्ट आणि म्युझिक अरेंजर म्हणून महालसा रेकॉर्डिंग स्टुडिओमध्ये म्युझिक प्रोडक्शनचे काम करतो. शहीद ए वतन, व्हाय अशा कित्येक चित्रपटांना पार्श्वसंगीत दिलेले आहे. व्हाय हा चित्रपट मागच्या वर्षीच्या इंटरनॅशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल ऑफ इंडियामध्ये नॉमिनेट झाला होता. यो मोगा, तुकाच रावला, वेदना, मोरांचे पाक, प्रेम स्वप्न असे कित्येक व्हिडिओ अल्बम रिलीज झालेले आहेत. गोवा, महाराष्ट्रात आणि कर्नाटकामध्ये गाण्याच्या हजारो मैफली केलेल्या आहेत. संकल्प आयडॉल, गोवन आयडॉल अशा पुरस्कारांनी सन्मानित झालेले आहे. तुमच्या मुखात सादर करतो आणि स्वागत करतो आमचे दुसरे परीक्षक अक्षयजी प्रकाश नाईक यांचे. वेलकम सर. As I said at the beginning, the standard of our success or the performance of any function depends on participants as well as on judges. This year we had made an attempt to make some changes, to change the structure of this Voice of GVM's program. The in fact idea of live music had come from Gautami Hedi only. We had troubled her a lot. We had taken her help from time and again. And this would not have been possible without the support and cooperation of management. In fact, I'm really thankful to management because they had given me free hand to work. There is no restrictions. Otherwise, there are some restrictions on budget. And I'm thankful, I'm blessed because they had not put any restrictions of budget on me. They had given me free hand and therefore we could manage this program with a change strategy. The judges today, we had given them free hand. No one will interfere in the decision of the judges. The decision of the judges will be final and that will definitely help in success of this program. Once again, I welcome each and every audience, dignitaries, audience, parents, teachers and everyone. And musicians. Musicians will be welcomed especially by the compeer, Mr. Nagesh Phadke sir. So I welcome once again everyone and please enjoy this day and participants make this day a memorable one with your mind-blowing performances. All the best. Thank you.
देवबने करू सर. खऱ्यानीच माइंड ब्लोईंग अशी कार्यावळ जावपाची आसा. सरांनी उतरांनी स्वागत केल्लेंच आसा. फुलांनी स्वागत आनीक चड सोबीत जाता. हांव सौ अश्विनी फडते हांचे लागीं मागता की मुखावेल्या माळयेंत बशिल्ल्या सगळ्या मानेस्तांक गुलाब पुष्प भेटोवन तांकां येवकार दिवचो. असतोमा सद्गमय तमसोमा ज्योतिर्गमय. सोबीत अशी सकाळ तातूंत ह्या सिजनाक फावशें वातावरण आणि हळूहळू जाता ती वातावरण निर्मिती मुखावेल्या प्रोग्रामा खातीर. तातूंतच सगळ्यांच्या मनात बरो गिन्यानाचो सद्भावनांचो प्रकाश पडचो, उजवाड पडचो आणि कार्यावळीक मुखार वचपाक मार्ग मेकळो जावचो हाचे खातीर हांव गोवा विद्याप्रसारक मंडळाच्या कार्यकारिणीचे उपाध्यक्ष श्री नागवेकर सर तशेंच सगळ्या मानेस्तां लागीं मागता की तांणी दिवली पेटोवन आयच्या ह्या कार्यावळीचें उक्तावण करचें. गोवा विद्याप्रसारक मंडळ ज्यो वेगवेगळ्यो सर्ती घडोवन हाडटा ताचे फाटलो उद्देश आनीक गोवा विद्याप्रसारक मंडळाच्यो येवजण्यो ह्या सगळ्याचेर उजवाड घालचो अशें हांव श्री नागवेकर सरा लागीं मागता.
Namaskar, good morning, and a warm welcome to everyone present here today. Respected Chairman, who just left because of some emergency, working committee, Headmaster Sri Dattatreya Naik, Primary in charge Maria Perez, PTA Chairman and other members, ex-headmistress Sushma Gaonekar, ex-teacher Neelam, other teachers, parents and my dear students. It's my pleasure as Vice Chairman of GVM's Working Committee to be a part of this wonderful initiative today. We gather to celebrate the incredible musical talents of our students, and I am thrilled to witness such a vibrant and enthusiastic participation. The Voice of GVM music competition, like many other competitions we organize, is not just a platform to showcase singing talents, but a testament to the boundless creativity and dedication of our young artists. Today we enjoy their performances. Let us remember that this competition is not about winning or losing. It is about fostering a love for music, nurturing confidence, and celebrating the beauty of self-expression. As educators and mentors, it is our responsibility to provide opportunities that encourage holistic growth. And this event highlights our commitment to promoting art and culture in our schools. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the staff of RPRS High School, Bandora, for hosting this event. So also our judges who were most supportive in organizing this event. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the staff of RPRS School, Bandora, for hosting this event so graciously. Your dedication to nurturing creativity among the students is commendable and deeply appreciated. To all the participants here today, you are the shining stars of tomorrow, motivated by your teachers and supported by your parents. Your passion and talent will undoubtedly light up the stage. Let this experience inspire you to aim higher and follow your musical dreams with confidence. Finally, a big thank you to our esteemed judges, teachers, parents, and students for being a part of this celebration. Your encouragement and presence will make all the difference. Let us now immerse ourselves in the melodious performances of our students. With great pride and excitement, I declare the Voice of GVM Music Competition open. Thank you, and let the music begin.
आयज हांगा ह्या पयल्या भागाक तुम्ही सगळेजण मानेस्त हजर रावले म्हणून एक औपचारिकता म्हणून हांव तुमकां सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आनी ह्या भागा खातीर हांगा थांबुया 2 मिनटांची विश्रांती घेवया आनी सर्तीक बरोबर आनी एक 5 मिनटांनी 9:20 मिनटांचेर सुरवात करूया. देव बरें करूं.